Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're gonna be promoting the $25 done for you all in one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay, now the reason I like to promote the $25 all in one business is because it's products that you need to start an online business. No matter what type of online business you're gonna set up, you need a funnel. You need a funnel builder, and the most popular funnel builder is like 4 times the price, but half the functions. To be honest with you, like you can only make a certain amount of funnels. A certain amount of people can see your videos. See your funnel, so to speak. So if too many people see your funnel, they'll shut it down. Like if you're not paying the full $200, $300, whichever how much it costs, is crazy. But this, you get all of that for only $25, and it's a lot easier to make your funnel as well, in my opinion. So yeah, that's one thing you get. I really like. I really believe in the product. I think the product is a really good product in general. And second of all, the reason I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because of its recurring commissions, which is 80% recurring commissions. That's so good. Like recurring, 80% recurring commissions. That means every month you get paid every month. So a sale on My Lead Gen Secrets is a lot more powerful. It's more like an investment than anything, you know. And you building passive income. Just amazing, guys. Look how much money I made passively. This is passive income in the last like 2 or 3 months. Made over $1,000 already, and I'm not even promoting it that hard, to be honest with you. I'm just doing My Lead Gen Secret, one account, and YouTube. That's about it. So that's what I got passively. Imagine what you could do if you really shut down on it and really grind it every single day. You know, guys, I'm personally doing this with just one account to try to emulate what people will get when they first start. So anyway, I believe this is day, I want to say 26. I'm not entirely sure, but let's get to it here. Let's see what our results are here. Make sure people refresh. Make sure people refresh to show their actual results. I always do that. Anyway, it looks like we did not get a sale. Oh, that's sad. No, we did not get a sale, which is okay. That's totally fine. Anyway, I'm sorry about that. I do sound a little tired. I woke up pretty early. Not as chipper as I was yesterday for some reason. This is my normal phase, waking up at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock to do this video, which I like doing because I get it out the way for the day. But I like doing a video in general because it's helping, you know. I really feel like I'm helping people make money. So anyway, let's keep it moving here. Let's go into the My Lead Gen system here, and we're gonna select all the members here. Hold up, guys. Wait a second. 200 leads. What happened? Oh, somebody signed up to My Lead Gen Secrets. Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that. That just that confused me for a second. Sorry about that. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna pick an email here. Let's go with fail to win here. We're gonna click on fail to win. But yeah, here's the thing about My Lead Gen Secrets. You get 100 leads until you get somebody to sign in, until you get a sale on My Lead Gen Secrets. And then you start getting 200 leads a day, which makes it doubly better. So I might start getting more sales now over time because I'm getting more leads. Just wanted to tell you guys that. Because I was supposed to be emulating like a beginner's account. And this would be me not emulating that well. So anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. So we're gonna look at the email here. Let me see. Fail. Something about failing. I don't know. I don't like this email. Let's go with something else. Let's do with making money on the first week. It feels a lot more. You don't want to do like an actual email. You want to do more like a clickbait type email, like something like that. I'm making money in my first week. We're making a ton of money. $500 made today. Stuff like that. That works a lot better than like a regular email in general. So we're gonna go with that. And let's see here. Perfect timing. We can predict the optimal delivery hour. Basically, perfect timing does send an email around time. People check the emails. Make sure to see if your link works in your email here. What I'm gonna do. And it does. Okay, so we're good to go. So we're gonna send the email. Boom. I got my picture there for my signature. You can do that. You don't have to do that. It's not a big deal. As far as I can tell. I don't got in sales with no signature at all, you know. So it don't really matter that much. Anyway, guys. It looks like that's about it, guys. All the links are in the description below. I'm gonna have every single link to everything. The $25 business, my lead gen secrets here. All of the links in the description below. All right, guys. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.